my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I am back with another wig tutorial. This one is in sponsorship with HerGivenHair. I'm super excited about this unit because it's going to be such a quick install, super easy, just like an everyday look, just overall really simple. And you guys know I love HerGivenHair. Their hair quality is just amazing. So let's go ahead and just get straight into this video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into it. Okay, so as you guys can see, packaging. I've never seen this inside before. This is cute. It says my natural queen. Ooh, making me feel special. What is this about? Okay, so it says new arrivals. Oh, it just shows like all the new arrival wigs. That's cool. Oh, I'm on here. Oh, I feel special. Oh, this is so dope. New arrivals. Oh, I'm on there for September 27th for natural texture bangs headband wig. I'm like over there. Oh, that's so dope. So you guys, I can't wait to show you guys this unit. This is one of their newer units, and I am playing with some color. And of course it comes with their little dust bag, like their drawstring bag for you to store the hair in. I always love that. And so this hair is their lace front wig, and it's in a 3B 3C texture curly, and the color is golden ombre, and the cap size is a small. So this wig does include a wig cap, extra clips if needed, and of course the unit. So this is what it looks like. Really nice, gorgeous color. I love that. Go ahead and remove the net. You can really see it's really nice and vibrant. Love the color. It looks really, really natural. So let's just go ahead and put this on. It should be super easy. So with this wig, you actually do have to cut the lace around it. I thought you could just put this on. I probably looked at like the wrong picture or something, but this you do have to cut the lace. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace, but I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and put on my wig cap. Okay, so this wig does have clips on the inside to make sure it's nice and secure. Okay, so this is what it looks like straight on. Honestly, I would want to put no wig cap on just because it's so light that I just wouldn't want a wig cap. Or maybe I would want a darker wig cap. This wig cap isn't going with my like skin tone, so that's the only thing. But other than that, we're just gonna go ahead and cut the lace. Honestly, I feel like you can wear this wig glueless. Like you don't need any what is it, spray, like wig spray, so like the Got2b. So this is what it looks like up close. Natural texture. Of course we can go in and wet it and define it, which I will do. So I think the rest of the video I'm just gonna let you guys watch me work. I'm not gonna talk, I'm not gonna ramble. You're just gonna watch me work. Okay y'all, so like I was saying, super easy install. All you gotta do is cut the lace. It looks really, really natural, like so natural. I feel like I don't need any concealer or anything like that, and because of how the hair falls in the front, you don't really need to do any like type of blending or anything. You could do a little baby hairs if you want, like cuts and parts, but I don't even think I want to do that. I love how the unit really just falls naturally, and then I just applied just a bit of water, and now I'm just going to use my Resol's Curls Refresh and Detangling Spray. And yeah, I love how this unit looks like. HerGivenHair always looks so natural. That's why I feel like their brand is worth the price, because the hair quality is just amazing. How they already make it look like just really natural, and like it's shaped for your face. Like, it just always looks so good. Even this color, I'm loving this color. This pop of color is really nice. The texture is nice. It feels like real natural hair. The top part isn't too bulky. You know how some wigs can look really bulky? This does not. Even though I have like bigger braids underneath, it doesn't even look bulky at the top of the hair, so it doesn't look too wiggish. It's very natural. So yeah, this unit's gorgeous. I can of course get this hair even more defined, but y'all know how I am. I like a little bit of frizz. I like a little bit of the natural look. This is up close. So natural looking, so pretty. This is a nice unit. Like, you can really just throw on go. And as you guys can see, I use no spray. If you get a wig cap that really fits to your head, it's going to lay down. Like, this isn't lifting or anything. Like, look closely, it's not lifting. No need for any type of glue. You can always kind of like push the sides back if you need to. Like, you can really do this, no glue needed. Such an easy install. You can use a more defining curl product, but I'm just using this light mist, and I feel like it works just as good. But I think I like the hair kind of just out and in my face. I love that. Such a gorgeous unit, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys the back. So gorgeous. And even when I ran my fingers through it, minimal shedding. Like, it's so natural, so nice looking. So I will have all the information on this wig from HerGivenHair linked in the description box below. It's so easy, super easy install. No glue needed, nothing. Just really just a throw on and go type of wig. It looks really natural, really nice. And it's especially good if you want just a pop of color. So I love that. Don't have to worry about coloring your own hair. The density is amazing. Like, HerGivenHair has some bomb units. So like I said, everything will be linked down in the description box below. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.